I took delivery of this new Craftsman T3000 model last week, and I've been getting used to the controls and have cut most of the lawn. I've got quite a big garden, and this takes the place of my old mower, which was a 17-year-old Honda, which was a 36-inch cut, and it did quite a good job. But this machine is 42-inch, so that extra bit just makes make sure I can cut the grass just that bit quicker. The controls are quite a bit different to the Honda. We'll have a look at those now. This is the ignition key, which has 4 positions. This is the off position, which is marked stop. The next position up switches the ignition on, but that position is only used if you are reversing with the cutting blades actually operating. The next position is normal cutting going forward, and the last position, of course, is to operate the starter motor. This is the hydrostatic control, which controls forward and rear positions, and also this is the hydrostatic control, which controls whether you're going forwards or back, and also controls the speed irrespective of what speed the engine is running. I'm led to believe that the transmission on this is fluid, and so it's important that if you ever buy one of these machines that you look into that you read the manual first to make sure that you've bled any air bubbles out of the automatic transmission before you start using the machine. So we either go forward in this position to there, or if we're going in reverse and the blades are still running, we take the switch to that position before going backwards. That's quite a bit different from my old Honda. Why that is different, I don't know, but that's what I'm told. Above the ignition switch are 2 more controls. The blade operating control on my old Honda was using a lever at the side, which then engaged a belt which started the blades turning or stopped them turning. On here it's different, it's an electrical switch. So if it's down and when you're starting the engine, it's in the 0 position, and when you switch it up with the engine running, it will start to turn the blades over. Next to that, if anybody ever does cut their grass at night, it's got 2 very efficient headlamps at the front, which of course only come on when you press this switch and when the ignition switch is turned on. On the other side is perhaps the most essential accessory on any ride-on mower, and one which I haven't enjoyed before, and that is of course a cup holder. Next to that is the height control for cutting. So we're right at the top here, down to there. It has a little red marker here so you can remember what setting you had before if you have only cut half the grass, which I found was quite useful. As you can see, there's actually 2 bulbs in each headlight, which does give quite a good illumination of the lawn if you do insist on cutting it at night. Over this side is the foot brake. If the foot brake is applied and you wish to turn it off when you're going to cut the grass, simply kick the pedal down and that will release it. To put it back on, press the pedal down and operate the lock. Here is the hand throttle control, which operates in the usual way. In other words, starting from cold, it goes right to the top until the engine starts up. Then we can pull it down for it to tick over. and there is a little stop halfway up, which is the cutting position. This is the collector. It's quite a large size, and to tell you when it's full up, a little whistle blows and tells you that it needs emptying. Today we're not going to use this. I've cut most of the grass using this, but today I'm going to use the mulching plug. So that means that I've got to remove this. This is the mulching plug. Which fits down into the grass chute. Okay, we're ready to go to cut some grass. I've got lots of mature trees on this garden, and anybody who has trees like this in their garden will know that they constantly drop bits of wood and fir cones and all the rest of it. So I've cleared the lawn of debris because all this does is to blunt your blades before I started cutting. So we'll start it up, we'll do some cutting, see how we get on. Well, as you can see, it does a pretty good job of mulching, and looking back to where I've cut, it's hardly visible any grass that's been laid on there, so it must be cutting it up pretty small, so I'm pretty pleased with that. The other thing I'm pleased about, of course, is the nice smiley face at the front. Cheers you up before you actually start the machine up.